Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm going to take you through a workout that I'm doing today. 6 rounds of boxing. Change up some of those rounds and do skipping in between. Hopefully this motivates you to get off the couch and just do something, just to stay healthy, live a bit more active, and recover from any injury that you have, and just stay motivated.
lose. There's no time to lose. The world is closing in, and we're still here.
Okay, so I actually did a bit more than I thought. I did 6 rounds boxing on the heavy bag and wrecking ball. I did 4 rounds of skipping and 3 rounds of deadlifts. So you know that I struggled with thoracic outlet syndrome, recovered from that, heat stroke, blood pressure, still trying to get up, get moving, get fitter. What's your excuse?